1. Write a list or schedule of what you are going to do on Christmas Eve a couple of days before the day itself. Estimate the time so you have a better idea. For example, if you know Uncle Joe is coming over at 5 o'clock, write it in. Some ideas are, watch T.V., read, watch a movie, take a walk, sing songs, etc. 2. Wake up early on Christmas Eve morning. This way means that when you go to bed, you will be so tired that you will fall asleep fast. Or you could sleep in, but that won't help you sleep quickly on Christmas Eve. 3. Make a small area in your room, like a hangout area. Put in some blankets, pillows, and maybe a bean bag. Make it creative. It doesn't have to be just for Christmas Eve. Take a box and fill it with things to do. Magazines, books, and drawing supplies are a good idea. 4. Watch a couple of Christmas movies. Around Christmas there will be lots of festive films on the TV, so you could look out for those. 5. Exercise. It will get you tired for bedtime. See how many push-ups, crunches and laps you can do in 10 minutes. Try to beat your personal record, or you can just get up and dance around. Get your body moving. Try going out for a walk to enjoy the seasonal weather. 6. Read or write a book. You could write a Christmas story and read it to a sibling. 7. Clean your room or home. Make the bed/s, tidy the floor/s, and dust the corners. That means you can relax when you go to bed. 8. Bake cookies for Santa. 9. Look up how to make reindeer food and sprinkle it on your lawn if you're not using glitter. 10. Wrap last-minute presents and write cards. 11. If you have a pet, play with it. It's known to reduce stress. 12. If your family wants to, play a game together. Try a computer game or a board game. 13. Surf the web. This always passes time. Look on a website like YouTube for some funny videos. 14. If all else fails, sit in your room and work on homework. Never too early to get it started.